You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Italian pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing Italian, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, Raffaello. You have double F and a double L, meaning that you need to stress both on the F and the L. Make them twice as long, each of them. Raffaello. Or if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say it as Raffaello. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.